Ooh, what's this? These look like crumbs. Cookie crumbs. Whatever's been making that strange noise must have been eating some cookies. Interesting.
Find anything?
Just some cookie crumbs. Whatever's been making that sound must have gotten into a box of cookies and ate them here. But whatever it is must have gotten away.
Well, as long as it's not hiding around in here, that's what I'm glad about.
Yep. Well, looks like we've got some crumbs to follow. We'll see you two later.
Good luck, big brother.
Look, there go the crumbs. Looks like they're leading straight to the kitchen. Strange, the crumbs aren't here.
A clue, a clue!
You see a clue? Where?
Right there!
Oh, there it is. Our second clue, and it's cheese. You know what we need, our super duper
Notebook!
notebook, right. So, cheese. Let's draw a rectangle with a triangle on top, and some circles and semicircles for the holes. There, cheese. So, we're trying to figure out what's making that strange noise. What was our first clue?
Small.
Small, right. And now our second clue is cheese. So what do you think is making that strange sound with small and cheese? Yeah, probably. But let's find our last clue to figure this out.
Bark, 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 bark.
Oh hey Blue, how are you?
Bark, bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark.
What's going on? Well, Kipper and I have been hearing some strange noise. But we don't know what it is. We're trying to figure it out.
Bark. Bark, 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 bark.
Thanks Blue, we'll try our best.
Bark, bark.
Ooh, a package. Thanks Blue. See you at the Nick Jr. School.
Bark, bark.